This AI project will be one of the best performers in this bull run. I will talk about AITECH and share my price prediction for the long term and for the short term. So let's go straight into the content. AITECH is right now on place 425 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $100 million. And if we have a look at the chart, you can see that we are in a bullish uptrend on the daily time frame. Lately we saw this massive push to the upside from this demand zone, but after building this new all-time high right here at nearly 50 cents, we then saw this retracement to the downside. And right now we are at a very interesting point, because on the one hand we came back into this demand zone right here, and as I said, this demand zone was the start of this bullish push. We had this consolidation right here, and right now we tapped in multiple times into this demand zone and saw this bullish reaction, and we also perfectly retested this last high right here with this wick, and of course the chance is now very high that we can continue the bullish momentum. It's very important that we are also breaking this last descending triangle, because if we are getting the bullish confirmation out of this zone with strong bullish momentum, then the chance of course is very high that we could see the bullish explosion. And from the prices right now to the next potential high, we have a potential of 176%. And for the long term, I'm very bullish on this project. I think it's one of the AI coins with the most potential to the upside, because as you can see, we just have a market cap of $100 million. And I think the market cap of all cryptocurrencies in the AI space will outperform in this bull market, especially when the Nvidia earnings come out at the May 22. If the earnings will be great, then I think the chance is high that the AI cryptos will outperform on the market. And if AITECH will break its last all-time high right here at 50 cents, then the chance is extremely high that you could see a price discovery and see even higher prices in the near future. And I think a market cap between $3 and $10 billion for AITECH for this bull run is very realistic. So this coin for me is a potential 30 to 100x for the top of this bull run. And if you want to buy AITECH, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies to trade and to buy. So you will find the link for BingX in the description. So for the long term, I'm very bullish on this project. And I think right now for the short term, it's very important that we are breaking out of this triangle right here and breaking its last highs. Especially if we're breaking this last high right here to the upside. Because from this high, we saw this push to this low. We made a slightly lower low. So if we're breaking this one to the upside and find acceptance over here, then we have the bullish confirmation, and the chance that we are seeing new all-time highs is very high. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like AITECH, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I think AITECH will be one of the best performers in this bull run in the AI space. We just have a market cap of $100 million right now for this project, so we have a lot of potential to the upside. And if we have a look at the chart, you can see that we had this longer retracement, and right now the chance is very high that you could get a perfect long opportunity in this area. Either right now is a quite good time to get into AITECH, or if you want to wait for the bullish confirmation, I would wait if we're breaking this last high to the upside, and then the chance is very high that we could see the bullish explosion for this project. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.